Hey Jeffrey, this is Eddie with Maxx. A little bit about me. We started out as a handyman service, multi-man services, and over time we started getting into siding cleaning, window cleaning, gutter cleaning, and then someone asked me, "Hey, can you wash my roof?" And so we got into roof washing, and then we learned about Maxx, how we can rejuvenate and extend the life of our clients' homes. And what I'll do in this video is quickly go over what is needed at your home, how we can help you. I notice a lot of things that we can help you with on your property. So I'll get into that. So tune in to this quick informational video about what Maxx is, how it could potentially help you and prevent having to replace your roof, and then we'll get into the roof assessment. So.
The summer heat and winter cold turn your shingle roof into a brittle mess. Replacing it will cost you a fortune, and if this happens, it's even worse. Think you need a new roof? Think again. Introducing Maxx, the first professional and affordable roofing treatment that is scientifically proven to reduce an asphalt roof's aging process. With Maxx, you'll have the protection of a brand new roof and save thousands. Maxx's skilled technicians apply a safe, effective, and affordable natural treatment. And within hours, you have a roof that performs like a new roof. Maxx's exclusive treatment resaturates old, dried shingles with a natural, bio-friendly formula that quickly restores flexibility and water-repelling protection guaranteed. Look, this is a 17-year-old asphalt shingle. It literally disintegrates. But here's an identical 17-year-old shingle that we treated with Maxx's proven formula. It passed rigorous independent testing as a new shingle. So your roof can even look like new. This neighborhood's roofs were ravaged by Hurricane Sally, but this house treated by Maxx had absolutely no damage. So a Maxx roof can also pass a home inspection if you're getting ready to sell or for insurance, saving you money. Check out our website to see impeccable reviews saving thousands of roofs and millions of dollars. Remember, a new roof can cost you tens of thousands. And who wants to deal with days of this? Keep your family safe and happy with Maxx.
Okay, so based on the front of your house, what I'm seeing is that your roof it's got some moss growing, some lichen, other forms of algae starting to eat away at your shingles. And I'm also seeing some shingles starting to separate and move away from, you can see right in this area here, the shingles are starting to fall and detach themselves. So to be completely honest with you, we have repairs that are going to be needed just in this upper section right here. A few missing shingles. A lot of those shingles are going to need to be popped loose, pulled away, and then re-nailed back down properly so that the wind isn't going to flap them away. And then after we reinstall them properly, we're going to need to reseal all the shingles down because the old seal strip is probably worn away. Once we break that seal, we're going to want to seal it down. Now I'm starting to know your ridge cap. Notice your ridge cap up there is disintegrating and deteriorating. So instead of replacing your entire roof, is replace the ridge cap on your house and your little shed back here. And so my suggestion as a roof rejuvenation cleaning company is for us to come by day one, is to wash the roof and wash the house. Everything would look really clean and fancy after that. And then on visit number 2 would be for us to come by and apply the shingle rejuvenating oil. It's going to soak down into your shingles and allow your shingles to be able to expand and contract and be flexible again. And then visit number 3 would be for us to do the roof repairs. Replace all the ridge caps, pull these areas of the shingles up there, and re-nail those down properly, seal them down, and then do tune-ups that are needed. I can't see from the back of your house, but you do have a rubber plumbing boot, and so over time what happens is those will dry rot and either need to be, or what we do is a lot of times they'll have like a little slit inside of the plumbing boot, and water will just run right into your house. You may not see a leak yet, but eventually it will. So we put a big rubber seal. It's a new rubber seal right over that to help save the cap that's up there. I don't know if you're going to see with the sun and everything, but essentially right there is your plumbing boot, and we would want to get a new gasket, rubber gasket around that, a bunch of roofing sealant. That's part of the roof tune-up. On the third day, we have all those roof repairs there going on. My suggestion after that is for us to wash all your outdoor windows, because between the house washing, the roof cleaning, and the roof rejuvenating oil, your windows are going to look kind of crappy, water spotting, potential overspray issues. So then when we wash your windows, we do that all from the ground with special purified water, and scrub all your windows really well on the outside. Bam, windows good to go. My suggestion would be that before the house wash, just take 30 minutes, walk around your house, take all your screens out, and that way we can wash out all your window wells really nicely, and stack them over here by the garage. And then as we're washing your house, we'll go ahead and screens, get those cleaned out. And it allows us, when we're washing your house, the window wells, all the spider webs, bug guts can just come right out real nicely. The screen is not holding it in there. So 3 different visits accomplishing all kinds of stuff. I did notice on the back of your garage you had a fascia board that was missing, so we can also so what I'll do is I'll get a multi-service bundled discount if you want us to do everything while we're here, which would be my suggestion. And when you have us do that, we're able to offer you a substantial discount, because video testimonial, referrals, Google review, they go a long way, and it does help us to help find people just like you that need our services. So any questions you have about this video that I just made, or about the proposal below, which package is best for you. I know I offer a lot of options. Sorry to be confusing, but don't hesitate to give me a call. My cell, 815-520-6020. We look forward to working with you. Take care.